Okay, class, please stand for our prayer. Okay, Mr. Paulo, kindly lead our prayer for this day. Okay. Amen. So, thank you very much. So, good morning, class. Okay, take a seat. Let's have your attendance. So, just make sure na nakaupo kayo sa tamang upuan na according to the seat plan para madali na ang pag-attendance. Okay, walang absent ngayong araw. Very good. Now, before we start our formal class, let me remind you again na kailangan muna nating linisin ang ating kapaligiran. So, under your seats, pick up pieces of papers. So, and during group work, kailangan nating mag-contribute. So, do not just rely on your leaders. Okay? Understood? At saka during recitation, hintayin nyo munang matawag yung pangalan nyo or just raise your right hand at hintayin nyo ma-recognize kayo bago kayo sumagot. Okay? Now, did you bring your the materials needed for the activities natin for this topic? Okay, very good. So, first, ang topic para natin ngayon ay writing a standard form of a line to slope-intercept form and vice versa. So, as we go along the way mamaya sa ating topic, matututunan nyo paano mag-rewrite ng linear equation with two variables. Halimbawa, kung naka-standard form, malalaman nyo kung paano naman siya gawing slope-intercept form. Okay? Now, for our motivation and review. So, for our motivation and review, we will just watch a short video about our topic kanina. Yun nga. So, during the video, please jot down notes, mga important notes kasi yun yung magagamit ng mamaya sa ating activities. Okay, understood? Okay, let's watch the video. Short video lang yan. Okay, pause na. So, ano ba ang tungkol sa video? Diba, about slope? Kung paano na-identify kung naka-standard form ba siya or naka-slope-intercept form. Diba? Okay. For our first activity is by pair. By pair yung first. Before pala, ang pakibasa muna ng ating objectives. Okay, class, please read. Okay, very good. At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to write the linear equations ax plus b is equal to c in the form ymx plus b and vice versa. So, yun na nga. Kung naka-standard form, matututunan natin mamaya kung paano naman siya gawing slope-intercept form. At kung naka-slope-intercept form naman, isolve natin kung paano siya ibalik sa standard form. Okay, understood? Now, okay, for our activity, so class, please read our direction. Okay, very good. So, sa instruction, just simply identify lang kung naka-standard form ba siya or naka-slope-intercept form. So, alam niyo na kung paano mag-identify. Yung nakita nyo kanina sa video. So, I will give you just 5 minutes to do it. This is activities by pair. So, just write your answers in your activity notebook lang. Okay, 5 minutes starts now. Okay? Tapos na. So, try natin sagutan yung number 1. Anong sagot nyo, number 1? Mr. Ambe. Ano ba siya? Standard form or slope-intercept form? Okay, very good. Naka-standard form lang siya. How about number 2? Mr. Malalay. Number 2. Okay, very good. So, ang number 2 given natin ay naka-slope intercept form. So, okay, check nyo na lang yung iba na nakalagay na yung sagot. Okay, proceed. So, ito na nga ang discussion natin ngayong araw. So, linear equation in two variables. So, yun na nga, a linear equation in two variables is an equation that can be written in the form of ax plus by is equal to c, where a and b and c are real numbers. So, and thus a and b is not equal to 0. So, ito na class, yung standard form. So, ano ang kanyang standard form ng linear equation in two variables? So, this is the standard form. Ax plus by is equals to c. Now, ito naman ang kanyang slope-intercept form. So, kita-kita natin yung difference, di ba? Ang slope-intercept form niya is y is equal to mx plus b. Where yung m ay value ng slope natin, and yung b naman is the y-intercept. So, proceed muna natin. Nagbigay tayo ng examples para mas maintindihan pa. So, ito yung example natin number 1. So, ngayon, tanong ko muna, naka-standard form ba or slope-intercept? Okay, standard form kasi ito yung equation kanina ng linear equations in two variables. So, tayo natin i-check ito guys kung ano ang magiging or slope-intercept form niya. So, tayo natin solve. Sulat na natin. Given natin number 1, a x plus b y plus 2 c. Okay? Klaro? Okay, now, para makuha natin yung slope-intercept form, kailangan ang matira lang dito sa left side is yung y lang. So, anong gagawin natin para y lang yung matitira? So, ang gagawin natin dito para ma-eliminate ang ax is yung additive property. So, ano ang i-add natin kay ax para ma-cancel siya? So, negative ax. Add tayo ng negative ax. At kung ano yung in-add natin sa left side, dapat mag-a-add din tayo o maglalagay din tayo sa right side. So, negative ax pa din. Now, ma-cancel na itong ax kasi negative ax plus ax is cancelled yan. So, therefore, patitira lang dito is dy equals to c minus ax. So, ito guys, kailangan natin i-arrange ito. Kasi yung constant, palaging nasa huli yan. So, mauuna yung may variable. So, ang mangyayari dito is ax, negative ax, plus c. Now, ito na ba yung final answer? Hoy, hindi pa ito yung final answer. Kailangan yung matira lang dito is y. So, ang gagawin natin to eliminate y is divide natin both side by b. para ma-cancel natin si B. Side by B. Now, cancel, cancel. So, matitira is y is equals to ax divided by b is a over or negative a over b x plus c naman, divide natin sa b, is c over b. So, ang slope-intercept ng ating given number 1, which is ax plus by is equals to c, is, ito na siya ngayon. Y is equals to negative a over b x plus c over b. Okay? Nakuha? Okay, how about number 2? Try natin. So, yung number 2 given natin, class, ay naka-standard form pa rin. So, ito. Try natin i-solve to. 4x minus y equals to 6. So, di ba yung unang gagawin natin, kailangan si y na lang matira dito sa left side. At saka yung ibang may variable, dapat nandito na sa right side. So, yun nga. Additive property pa rin ang gagamitin natin. So, para ma-eliminate 4x, mag-add tayo ng negative 4x. Same din dito sa kabila. Ayan, same lang kanina. Then, cancel na ito. Titira is negative y equals to, arrange naman natin, negative 4x plus 6. Okay, class, kuha. Now, ito na ba yung final answer? Yes, hindi pa kasi bawal mag-negative si y. So, anong gagawin natin para ma-eliminate itong negative? So, we just simply multiply both sides by negative 1 para magiging positive si y. Okay? So, ngayon, negative 1 times negative y. So, magiging positive y na siya. Okay, kasi dito may imaginary number dyan na 1. 1 yung constant niya. So, negative 1 times negative 1 magiging positive. So, in short, y na lang ang matitira. So, naging positive si y. Now, equals, dito naman pala. So, negative 1 times negative 4x is magiging positive 4x. Negative 1 times 6, positive 6, is magiging negative na si 6. So, ito na ngayon yung final answer. Okay? Kuha. So, ang first two given natin, guys, is naka-standard form. So, from standard form, nire-write natin at kinuha natin yung slope-intercept formula. Di ba? Yung slope-intercept form, y is equals to mx plus b kanina. So, ito na yun. Now, let's proceed to our example number 3. So, how about our example number 3? Naka-slope-intercept form siya, no? Kasi y, yung nauna. Y is equal to 6x plus 9. So, ano naman ang ating gagawin para maibalik siya sa kanyang standard form? So, let's find out. So, okay, example number 3. So, y is equals to 6x plus 9. So, naka-slope-intercept form siya. Now, ano ang ating gagawin para si constant na lang, si constant 9 na lang matitira dito na side or sa right side. So, pareha pa rin yung ating gagawin. Additive property ba din? So, since positive 6x, mag-add tayo ng negative 6x. the same time, negative 6x din dito sa ating left side. So, positive y yan. Now, cancel 6x. So, matitira is 6x plus y equals to positive 9. So, ito na ba yung final answer? So, hindi pa. So, kailangan muna natin gawing positive itong x natin sa unahan natin kasi kailangan positive siya. Tulad ng ginawa natin kanina sa y, hindi pwedeng maging negative yung y. So, dito sa standard form natin, kailangan positive din siya. So, multiply natin both sides with negative 1 para maging positive yung 6x natin. Negative 1. Now, substitutive property, magiging positive 6x. Ito, magiging negative y. Equals to negative 1 times 9, negative 9. So, ito yung final answer natin. Okay, gets us. Okay, let's our last example. Now, naka-y-intercept slope pa rin yung last example natin. So, y is equal to negative 10x plus 15. Now, same pa rin yung gagawin natin. Dapat si x, dapat dito constant lang yung matira. So, si x, lilipat natin dito sa left side. So, since negative yung 10, mag-a-add tayo ng positive 10x para ma-eliminate si 10x dito. So, positive 10x. So, that's y. Now, cancel na. Si 10, ang matitira lang is 10x plus y equals to 15. Now, this is your standard form. So, ito yung standard form ng y is equal to negative 10x plus 15. So, ganyan lang kasimple guys ang pag-rewrite. From standard form to slope-intercept at from slope-intercept form to standard form. So, understood? Okay, very good. Now, let's proceed with our second activity. So, for our second activity is by pair pa rin. So, kindly read our direction. Okay, very good. Now, the direction is to rewrite the following linear equation to its slope-intercept form or to its standard form. Write your answer on a short bond paper. So, by pair, hanap ulit kayo ng ka-pair nyo. So, gagawin nyo dito, kapag naka-standard form yung given, gawin nyo or hanapin nyo yung y or hanapin nyo yung slope-intercept form niya. Okay? At kung naka-slope-intercept form naman, ibalik nyo siya ulit sa kanyang standard form. Okay, understood? Okay, very good. For this activity, I will give you just siguro mga 8 minutes. Okay, starts now. Okay, finish? Okay, very good. So, subukan natin sagutan yung number 1. Kung magkapareha ba tayo ng sagot. So, try natin. Para mas mga kabisado nyo pa yung pag-try. So, yung given natin is 3x plus 2y plus 2. 6. So, naka-standard form siya. So, ibig sabihin, gagawin natin siyang naka-slope-intercept form. So, yun nga, si x, dapat dito, ang matitira lang dito is 2y. So, since positive 3x, mag-a-add tayo ng negative 3x. As well as, dito din sa kabila. So, cancel lang ngayon si 3x. Okay? Kuha nyo. Good. Okay, ang matitira lang is 2y. Arrange natin. 3x plus 6. Now, kailangan y na lang yung matira. So, just simply divide it by 2 para ma-eliminate natin si 2 divided by 2. So, cancel. So, matitira si y na lang. Is equals to negative 3 divided by 2. Negative 3x divided by 2 is magiging negative 3 over 2 x plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, very good. Now, is this your final answer for our number 1? Okay, very good. So, kindly check nyo na lang yung remaining givens natin. Now, questions para sa ating topic. Okay, wala na ba? Understood na ba lahat? Okay, very good. So, yes, you are ready for our quiz. So, let's have our quiz for this topic. Okay, now, kindly read the directions. Okay, very good. So, dito sa quiz natin, nakikita nyo ang instruction natin, no? Solve the following linear equations into its slope-intercept form. So, ibig sabihin ito, kita-kita nyo sa given natin, naka-standard form lahat. So, hahanapin na lang natin yung slope-intercept form niya. At saka, give the respective values of m. Yung slope natin kanina. Diba yung sa formula natin for slope-intercept form? Kung ano yung value ng m. At saka b for the y-intercept. So, write your answers on a 1/2 sheet of paper. So, 5 minutes. We'll do it. Okay? Starts now. Okay, finish. So, just pass your papers to the center aisle. Saka ako na mag-check niyan. Thank you very much. So, for our assignment. Now, just do this in your home and just answer this question. Your assignment notebook na lang. So, kindly take note for your assignment. Okay, finish. Okay, so far wala nang questions or clarifications. Okay, very good. So, thank you very much for listening, So, yan lang muna ang topic natin ngayong araw. So, goodbye and thank you, class.